When you think of metal, you probably imagine something hard, heavy, and almost impossible to melt. But there's one strange metal that can completely change your mind. It's called gallium. And here's the unbelievable part: gallium can melt in the palm of your hand. That's because gallium melts at around 29.8 degrees Celsius, or about 85.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Your normal body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. So when you hold a small piece of gallium in your hand, your body heat can warm it above its melting point. And slowly, the solid metal begins to soften. Then it turns into a shiny silver-colored liquid. It looks like something from a science fiction movie, but this isn't CGI, it's real chemistry. And gallium gets even stranger. At room temperature, it can remain solid. But just a little extra heat is enough to turn it into a liquid. Scientists are especially interested in gallium because it has some unusual properties and is used in modern technology, including certain semiconductors and electronic devices. There's also a fascinating historical detail. Gallium was discovered in 1875 by French chemist Paul-Émile Lecoq de Boisbaudran. And its discovery was actually connected to a prediction made years earlier by Dmitri Mendeleev. Mendeleev had predicted that an undiscovered element should exist in a particular place on the periodic table. Gallium turned out to fit that prediction remarkably well. So this tiny piece of silver-looking metal isn't just something that melts in your hand. It also helped prove that scientists could predict the existence of elements before they were even discovered. Pretty incredible for a metal that can melt between your fingers. So the next time someone tells you that metal is always hard and solid, remember gallium. Because sometimes metal can melt in your hand. Follow Story Behind the Things for more strange facts and hidden stories hiding in the world around you.